Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your love bite. Let's see what wants to show through for you today, Virgo. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Virgo, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Virgo, if you're new here, of course we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Virgo, Judgment, Temperance, Moon, King of Swords, Knight of Swords, Ten of Swords. Oh my God, so much sword energy. Ace of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the Knight of Cups. Alright, so some things kind of went away here. Three of Pentacles in reverse, bottom of my deck. So overall energy, something stopped working, maybe something just kind of, maybe one partner judged the other person, some kind of an imbalance happened here. Very emotional time. Maybe there was a little bit of a fight here as well. Maybe harsh words were exchanged, somebody was being rude or mean, and it made this connection feel like it's over almost. But now somebody does want to come back with a stable new offer. They want to show up now in the correct light, but they're a bit afraid of being rejected, okay, because of whatever's happened here. So let's what I'm going to do, Virgo, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards and see if you guys could say something to each other now, what that would be, and then we'll start clarifying these cards. So Virgo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Virgo and their person, if they could say something to each other. Virgo and their person. Okay. And I'll take a couple more from here, Virgo. Virgo and, oops, that's so many. Okay, let's leave those two, put the rest back, and I'll take a couple more from here as well. Virgo and their person. Thank you. And we're good to go, Virgo. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I was there for you when you asked me to be, and even when you were silently suffering. This card comes a lot for you, Virgo. Many readings this card comes out for you. I was there for you when you asked me to be, and even when you were silently suffering, I heard your soul cry out to me, asking for my support. I always showed up for you, but when I needed you, where were you? It pisses me off as how your karmic has photos of you all over social media, trying to make out that you guys are happy. You and I both know this is complete bullshit. So yes, there could be a third party situation, Three of Pentacles. Don't come back to me if you haven't leveled up. I knew all along that you had the potential to run again, but the intensity of our connection and my curiosity about it is what kept me interested in you. My boundaries are stronger now, and your old mind games will no longer be tolerated. I get so frustrated when you're on the phone when we are together. I want to get up and walk out of the room because it's so disrespectful. I see our time together as sacred and, believe it or not, limited. If we are spending precious time together, our attention should be on each other. Your love makes my day, my week, my month, my year, my life. I'm stuck in my ego and pride, feeling very frustrated and foolish. I know that my behavior has really disappointed you, but I'm even more annoyed with myself. This is the King of Swords, ego, pride, harsh words. There is no one in the world as amazing as you. It hurts me to say that we should go our separate ways. All right, Virgo, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have to say to this reading. Give a blessing for you, advice, message, or guidance. For Virgo, please. Blessing. Heaven is watching over you, Virgo. If any of you are feeling alone at this time, please know that all your angels, your ancestors, they're all around you and supporting you. Okay? So that's your blessing. Don't ever feel alone. Heaven is watching over you. So now let's start your reading and see what's going on. What's this judgment in reverse, Spirit? Judgment in reverse. Yeah, things have halted. Things have halted maybe because of a third party situation. Somebody just wants to now move forward to find peace for themselves. Very, very upset, angry at the moment because of whatever imbalance that's been created in this relationship. There was a lot of love, there is a lot of love, but someone has kind of withdrawn now. They've put a lid on that cup of love and said, hey, I don't think I want a second chance. Even though I do love you. I do love you. There is a fear of change here as well. So that's the reason this connection is that emotional. On one hand, they wanting a reconciliation, wanting that love, and on the other hand, a little upset and angry because there seems to be no new beginning here. So Moon. Somebody is not really happy with their partner's behavior. Maybe they feel their person is just not leveling up, maybe just kind of taking this connection very lightly, creating more conflict than anything else, never staying for too long to kind of work on this connection. So as much as emotional as their person is about the problems, they're still kind of waiting and watching and spying on their person to see what's going to happen. Yes, they just want things to work out in a way that, you guys can be out of this overthinking, stressing all the time, being worried all the time. So this is like somebody is upset, yet they're still hopeful and spying on their partner to see, is there any possibility of working things out? So who's this King of Swords, Spirit, in reverse? There's been a fight for sure. There's been a conflict, there's been a fight, some harsh words have been spoken. This King of Swords could be rather mean, rude sometimes. Maybe they feel ungrounded right now in their own life and they've taken out their frustration on their partner. Knight of Wands in reverse. Knight of Wands in reverse. Yes, maybe they were pushing their partner away or not bringing justice, or they didn't offer to balance things out and their partner became defensive, something like that. But whatever happened here, Virgo, it kind of made this connection feel like it's a lost case. Ten of Swords. This is like feeling betrayed, feeling it's all over, feeling stabbed in the back with no hope. So what's this Ten of Swords, Spirit? Ten of Swords. Yes, this kind of feeling betrayed has made their partner feel, I'm not going to wait around for them anymore. I don't want to be stuck at crossroads for the rest of my life. I don't even want to talk to them anymore because of whatever has happened in this fight, right? So this movement of maybe messaging each other, calling each other could have kind of come to a halt at the moment. So now I have an Ace of Pentacles and the Emperor now. So what's this, Spirit? Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Oh, somebody wants to now come back and offer to maybe start again. They know that they know their own behavior of juggling or keeping things imbalanced has kind of backfired on them, and they want their happiness back. they know that person makes them very, very happy, so they want this back with them. They don't like the stagnancy which has happened in this connection, and they're recognizing that my own behavior has kind of backfired on me now, and my person is upset and angry with me. But they do recognize that their partner also makes them very happy, and they are not happy with the stagnancy now. They want to, slowly approach them again and say, hey, can we begin again? They are now wanting to show up as the emperor, that I will, do the right thing now. I will bring balance to our relationship. I will, only because they feel that their partner is walking away from them. Yeah, they don't want to lose their position. They want to feel victorious in this connection even now. They are recognizing that they've made some unwise or foolish decisions regarding a commitment. Maybe they want to come and have some clear communication with their partner to say, hey, all right, let's just start again. Let's start afresh, and let's see where this can go now, because now I've realized I was being foolish. I've made unwise decisions now, but I do want to have victory with you. I do want to re-begin, and they're coming in to have a solid, straight conversation now, and prove to their partner that they will be doing the right thing now. But the Knight of Cups is in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups. Somewhere I think maybe that person is not going to believe them, because as much as the hurt person who, the other person who, they feel, yes, they're making a promise. They're making a promise that, yes, I'll go do the long haul with you. You are my soulmate. You are my twin flame, or whatever. They are not sure whether they are still not giving to someone else as well, right? As much as they want this balanced, equal give and take, they fear sometimes that, what if this person goes back into the same one more cycle of being immature and being in and out of my life, or not being stable? So should I really trust them, because they've always kind of broken my trust in the past? And yes, now they want to offer everything, but this is too much of a burden for me to keep wondering whether they actually mean what they say. Am I right, Spirit? So what's this Three of Pentacles in reverse? Three of Pentacles in reverse. I think somebody is going to be thinking long and hard about this new beginning that's being offered. Is it better that I take care of myself and concentrate on my own life, or agree to a new start which may or may not happen? I think right now there's a little bit of stepping back and time to reflect and time to think, because this ending, whatever happened here, has been very painful. Somebody almost went into depression after this fight. So I don't think, as of at least this week, yes, there's still a bit of stagnancy here, a little bit of disbelief. Yes, somebody needs to still to have all the facts. They want to have the truth with facts before they can believe that, this person is going to do what they're saying. So that's all I have for you, Virgo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.